This is a wonderful day. It truly is.
We're thanking the community because this is an expression of what you value, and you value the education of your kids.
We cannot thank our community enough for allowing us to create this truly spectacular campus for our children.
This truly is a win-win for both the district community and the city.
I just want to wish the staff and the students all the best in this new school year as we open this beautiful new facility.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, dignitaries, special guests. It is my honor to welcome you to this historic ribbon cutting where we officially open the doors to the future of our young Brecksville-Broadview Heights City Schools children.
On May 8th, 2018, the Brecksville-Broadview Heights City School District community passed a $44.5 million bond issue to build a new state-of-the-art school for pre-K through 5th grade.
More than 1,000 days have come and passed, and during this time, the vision became renderings. Renderings became architectural and engineering drawings, and drawings became reality.
All 6 of my children came through this district. My recently retired wife of 35 years spent teaching and advocating for her students in this district. And now we start a new chapter.
This building was designed for children, their needs now and what their needs will be in the future. Safety, security, wellness, career exploration, and learning environment was the focus for our design. We wanted to create a space where kids would want to be and look forward to come to school each and every day.
Teaching over the last 2 years has been incredibly difficult, yet you all rallied and educated our children.
Thank you to the residents of the cities of Broadview Heights and Brecksville for having the wisdom to pass this bond issue to build this school. You have created an atmosphere that will take care of keeping Brecksville the excellent school district that it is. This facility you will see as you walk through it is going to bring wonderful things, wonderful opportunities to our youth.
And I'm honored that we get to provide and leave this legacy for the children of Brecksville-Broadview Heights City Schools. Thank you.